Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines: Power Ministry launches Green Day-Ahead Market. Hydropower project by Cochin Airport. Irida Solar Module Manufacturing PLI auction. Coming to the details. Shri R.K. Singh, Union Minister of Power and New and Renewable Energy, launched the new market segment Green Day-Ahead Market. The launch of Green Day-Ahead Market will deepen the green market and will provide competitive price signals, besides offering an opportunity to market participants to trade in green energy in the most transparent, flexible, competitive, and efficient manner. The market-based competitive prices will provide another option to renewable generators to sell power as well as accelerate the renewable capacity addition towards government's vision of building India as a sustainable and efficient energy economy. The distribution utilities would also be able to sell surplus renewable power generated in their area. The obligated entities would also be able to meet the RPO target by directly buying green power from power exchanges. The non-obligated entities will be able to buy power on voluntary basis and help increasing the share of green power. The introduction of Green Day-Ahead Market is expected to create a domino effect that will lead to a gradual shift from PPA-based contract to market-based models, which will build and deepen the markets to next level, paving the way for India to meet its ambitious target of 450 gigawatt green capacity by 2030. The other benefits of participating in Green Day-Ahead Market would be reduction of curtailment of green power, unlocking untapped renewable energy potential, ensuring instant payment to renewable energy generators, that is on the day of delivery itself. The market mechanism will allow renewable energy sellers to subsequently bid in conventional segment if their bids remain uncleared in the green market. Cochin Airport International Limited ventures into hydropower generation with its 4.5 megawatt run-of-river small hydro project across Irvazinzi River in Kozhikode district of Kerala. The total project cost is 52 crore rupees. Annual power generation is estimated to be 14 million units. The powerhouse will generate around 1.08 lakh units of power a day during peak flow days, and it is estimated that the plant could be operational in full capacity for 130 days in a year. The power project will be commissioned on 6th November 2021. The Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency has opened the bids for setting up of manufacturing capacities for a minimum of 10 gigawatt of vertically integrated high efficiency solar modules under production linked incentives program. There are 16 bidders who have qualified and the respective PLA requested by them have been released. In stage 1 to 4 category, polysilicon wafer cells and modules manufacturing, a total of 19 gigawatt from 5 bidders, out of which Jindal has quoted the lowest PLI of 13.9 billion rupees for 4 gigawatt. Under stage 2 to 4 wafer cells and modules manufacturing, a total of 13 gigawatt from 3 bidders, out of which Coal India has a bid for the lowest PLI of 13.4 billion rupees for 4 gigawatt. Similarly, under stage 3 to 4 cells and modules manufacturing, a total of 21.6 gigawatt from 8 bidders. Mega Engineering Infrastructure has quoted lowest PLA of 3.33 billion for 2 gigawatt. Additional news today. Ministry of Heavy Industries has invited bids to select manufacturers for setting up production capacities for at least 5 gigawatt hour of advanced chemistry cells. Bid submission date is 31st December 2021. Tata Power joins hands with IIT Delhi for clean energy solutions, smart grid technology. Adani Group exploring investment in Sri Lanka's renewable energy sector. Price discovery at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 173.74 million units of power for tomorrow, cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details. Price discovered during night 3 rupees 4 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 2 rupees 92 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 5 rupees 37 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 3 rupees 76 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 3 rupees 91 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network, and the prices are uniform in all the regions. Thank you and good day.